Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best ear protection earmuffs for noise reduction, the 3M Pro Grade Earmuff, model 90565-4 DCPS. If you're working in loud environments, tackling home projects, or just want a little peace and quiet, stick around for the next 5 minutes as we explore what makes these earmuffs a top-tier choice for protecting your hearing. Let's start with what really sets this model apart: the noise reduction rating, or NRR. With an impressive NRR of 30 decibels, these earmuffs rank at the top of consumer-grade hearing protection. That means they can effectively reduce harmful noise levels from things like power tools, engines, or lawnmowers, making them ideal for both professionals and DIYers. Now let's talk comfort, because let's face it, even the most protective gear is useless if you can't wear it for long. 3M clearly understands this. These earmuffs feature a lightweight design and an adjustable fit that's tailored to reduce pressure points. Whether you have a small or large head size, the flexibility in the design ensures they sit comfortably throughout the day. The headband is another standout feature. Made with steel wire for durability, it's topped with a rubber overmold that offers a soft, secure feel. This isn't just for comfort, the build quality here is designed for long-term use. You can toss them in your toolbox or hang them on a hook in your workshop, and they'll still hold up. Moving on to the ear cups, these aren't your typical foam padded cups. 3M has built-in premium cushioning with pivoting action to better fit the contour of your head. This not only helps block out noise more effectively, but it also prevents discomfort from extended wear. One of the most thoughtful features is how user-friendly these earmuffs are. There's no electronic component to deal with, no batteries, no Bluetooth, just a reliable, passive system that works every time you put them on. It's a pure, simple, and effective solution. Whether you're a contractor, a carpenter, a landscaper, or someone who just wants to mow the lawn without ringing ears afterward, the 3M Pro Grade Earmuff is built to serve. It's also a great choice for industrial workplaces where hearing protection is non-negotiable. Now, you might be wondering about price. At the time of this video, these earmuffs are listed with a considerable discount from their original price. They're currently available on Amazon and can be shipped internationally, including to places like India. For the build quality, performance, and comfort you're getting, it's a solid investment. To wrap things up, the 3M Pro Grade Earmuff delivers on its promise. It's highly rated for a reason, with a strong NRR, a well-thought-out ergonomic design, and long-lasting materials. It's an all-around winner in our books and definitely earns its spot as one of the best noise reduction earmuffs available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews that help you make smarter buying decisions. Stay safe, and protect your hearing.